sucky tequilas weren't.
Actually, it's good tequila.
Sure. Yeah.
I mean, it's good tequila, but tequila
It's
sucks.
really good. It's really good. We all love it.
Yum. How was that, buddy? No good? Let's give it a shot.
That's cool. I got you.
Let me try this.
Voice. In a month from now, we'll do it and be like,
I'm
fucking killing it right now. Alright, here we go.
I like people are like, Ian, you gotta smoke. I'm like, yeah, I don't smoke. They're like, really?
Yeah.
I go, yeah, I don't smoke.
Do you want to make it, kid? If you want to make it in this town.
What is it, Mickey from Rocky?
Come on, kid. Come on, Ian.
Let it go once.
Yeah. came to get it on. Let's get it on. Ah! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
No,
I don't know about
you
that.
always learn from somebody. No matter what, no matter where you go, you will learn. Whether you don't even know you're learning. All of a sudden, you've learned something.
I guess that's true. Do you remember? All right, check this out. This will be for your video. Do you remember teaching me how to play drums?
Kinda.
So this is what you did. You ready?
Okay. All right.
I'm like 13 maybe.
Okay.
Right. I remember I think they might have been some drums you had. I remember the first drums I had, there was no kick pedal. There was just a snare, a hat, and a kick with no kick pedal.
Okay.
And I remember you coming in. I don't remember a bunch from being a youngster, but I remember you coming in and I was like, dude, I want to play drums, right? And then you were like, all right, cool. And then you took my...
all right, cool. Sounds good.
And then you were like, you were probably in a rush to do something. Remember, we're 8 years apart, right?
Yeah.
So I was probably young, and you were like, I gotta get the fuck out of here. Anyways, you were like, here, do this. And you took my hands, and you took it, and you took my hands and went with the hi-hat, and you go, do this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And I just went, and then you went, bye.
Oh, I did.
And then for sure, like I went, okay, all right.
Is that true? I went by?
And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. But like, if you think about it, drumming is just like.
Yeah. Well, that's all I know how to do anyway.
But
like I don't know how to do it.
But that was the blueprint, right?
Keeping tempo, right? It makes perfect sense. Right. But I do feel sometimes, man, our pre-production sounds better than the recorded stuff that we put to a perfect tempo.
Right.
So what does that mean? You know, is it real?
Right.
But I do believe that when you go off tempo too far, the listener, which would be me, to our own stuff, starts to fade out.
No, you can feel
right.
You can feel it when you're like, it's kind of off, but they kind of pick it back up again. But sometimes you take. It's not like it sounds before. Well, I cross my heart.
Sorry, I was looking at the camera. I was too busy looking at lighting. That's not good. Stop it, Ian.
It's like we're on a reality show and we're like, man, fucking Ian, you know what we did? Fucking Ian messed up the guitar part. It really fucked me up.
Oh, dude. It'll be like back. That's hilarious. To do like a reality show where it's like, and then like, so what'd you think of Ian's guitar playing? I'm like, oh, bro. Yeah.
We're really trying.
That part I get pumped too.
I know.
So I get pumped and then I lose it.
It's like it's a fucking like, yes.
It's such a great part, dude. I mean, that really is a smart.
So as soon as like,
part
let's get it on. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's what we're fucking doing. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Because look, let's be honest. There was no like, you do this, I do this at this time.
Right.
Like be there.
Wait,
it was just like
not like in the stars more, and we just don't know it.
Okay. Yeah, in movies where like they play 2 notes and they go,
you know what, bro?
Yeah.
Hey, check it out. You know what? Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
You know what? Give it a little ride and we'll get it.
And we'll do it. Yeah. Boom! All of a sudden, 50,000 people in a stadium.
Yeah.
Yep, got it. Wow.
Yeah, for real.
I sound like Dylan McKay on fucking 90210 episode number 2.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
All right.
I've been watching a lot now.